Mark Cuban has a distinctive wealth management strategy. It's a combination of innovation and acumen. At its core, this video emphasizes diversification with a twist. This means using expertise to inform investments. This includes tech startups and the Dallas Mavericks. The principle of liquidity and the art of cash reserves emphasizes flexibility. It's about capitalizing on market opportunities and withstanding volatilities. Cuban's value of going against the grain showcases his contrarian approach. It gives examples that challenge industry norms. You can call it the Cuban Method. It's a blend of informed diversification, strategic liquidity, and bold contrarian investing. It offers insights into creating a resilient, growth-oriented investment portfolio. Here are those principles. Principle 1, diversification with a twist. Mark Cuban's wealth management philosophy goes beyond traditional investment strategies. He puts a unique emphasis on informed diversification. Diversification is widely endorsed across the investment community as a way to spread risk. Cuban enhances this concept by advocating for investments where he has an intrinsic advantage. This is a testament to his belief in leveraging personal expertise to guide investment decisions. His foray into technology startups, fueled by his background in computer science, is a prime example of this philosophy in action. Cuban's ability to discern potential in these ventures before they become mainstream successes underscores the significance of marrying diversification with deep domain knowledge. Example, from tech to sports and beyond. Mark Cuban's investment portfolio is diverse. This shows his sophisticated approach to diversification. His acquisition of the Dallas Mavericks is a case study in recognizing undervalued assets. It's also a case study in capitalizing on them. Skeptics doubted the wisdom of his $285 million investment in 2000. Yet, Cuban's vision for the franchise has dramatically increased its value. His deep understanding of the sports entertainment domain has also contributed to the value boost. This strategic move highlights Cuban's investment philosophy. It extends beyond conventional wisdom. Instead, it relies on a nuanced understanding of market dynamics and potential growth areas. His success with the Mavericks exemplifies how focused diversification can yield substantial returns. His ventures into technology and entertainment sectors also show this. These successes are underpinned by expertise and insight. Principle 2, liquidity and the art of cash reserves. A key part of Cuban's wealth management strategy is the emphasis on liquidity. He champions the idea of keeping a lot of cash as an advantage. It provides flexibility and the ability to seize opportunities quickly. This approach is especially useful during economic volatilities. Liquidity can be the difference between capitalizing on market downturns and succumbing to them. Cuban's strategic liquidity reserves show his forward-thinking approach to financial planning. It ensures that he can navigate uncertainties and emerge in a position of strength. Case study, navigating the dot-com bubble burst. The dot-com bubble burst of 2000 serves as a critical case study in Cuban's mastery of wealth preservation and risk management. He strategically hedged against his Yahoo stock holdings through put options. This safeguarded his wealth against the tumultuous market crash. The crash erased significant value for many investors. This move protected Cuban's financial interests. It also highlighted his ability to anticipate market corrections. He employed sophisticated financial instruments to mitigate risk. Cuban's wealth management philosophy relies on maintaining liquid assets and adopting protective strategies against market volatility. This ability is a cornerstone of his approach. Principle 3, contrarian investing and the value of going against the grain. Mark Cuban's investment philosophy is deeply rooted in a contrarian mindset. It deliberately diverges from mainstream market practices. This approach is based on the potential that lies within markets or assets that are typically overlooked or undervalued by the majority. It is not merely contrarian for its own sake. This approach relies on a meticulous and rigorous analysis. It focuses on market trends and inefficiencies. It also is supported by an overarching belief in the value of acting based on one's own convictions. This is true even when they starkly contrast with the prevailing market sentiments. Cuban's strategic investments reflect a keen foresight. He is a visionary. He can identify emerging trends and technologies long before they become mainstream. He can act upon them early too. His early ventures into high-definition television and online streaming services exemplify this approach. At the time, the industry used standard definition broadcasting. Cuban saw the transformative potential of high-definition technology. His investment in HDNet, which later evolved into AXS-TV, was a bold bet on the future of television. This move set a new standard for visual media. It highlighted Cuban's ability to capitalize on emerging trends. It offered viewers an unprecedented quality of broadcasting. Cuban's strategic investment in Magnolia Pictures disrupted traditional movie distribution models. Similarly, his advocacy for day-and-date releases did the same. He championed a model where films are released in theaters and for home viewing on the same day. This directly challenged the entrenched norms of the entertainment industry. The approach catered to evolving consumer preferences. It also demonstrated Cuban's understanding of the shifting dynamics in content consumption. These investments were not simply contrarian bets. They had a deep understanding of technological advancements and understood consumer behavior trends. They showcased Cuban's adeptness at blending contrarian thinking with strategic market insights. Cuban's contrarian investing extends beyond just identifying undervalued technologies or market trends. It encompasses a broader philosophy of questioning established norms. It also involves being willing to take calculated risks based on one's analysis and beliefs. Cuban's investment strategy includes a strong tendency to rebel. He is armed with a solid evaluation of potential risks and rewards. This tendency has been defining. It reflects a deeper wisdom about the nature of innovation and market evolution. Cuban recognizes that true opportunities often lie in spaces. They are initially met with skepticism or have yet to be fully understood by the broader market. Mark Cuban's journey in wealth management is a compelling narrative. It is of strategic foresight, innovative thinking, and an unrelenting pursuit of opportunities. His approach is a blend of informed diversification, liquidity management, and contrarian investing. It offers invaluable lessons for anyone in investments or entrepreneurship. Cuban's story reaffirms that managing wealth requires more than financial savvy. It needs a holistic strategy. This strategy integrates deep market understanding. It also requires adaptability and the courage to pursue your convictions. Mark Cuban's wealth management strategies give a blueprint for aspiring entrepreneurs. They also help seasoned investors and can help anyone build and sustain financial success in today's ever-evolving business landscape.